Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to create a Snapchat account in 2021. Now, the process is very easy, and I've already made like 30 Snapchat accounts in my life, so let me show you how to do it. First of all, you want to make your way over to your app store. You want to click search, whether you're on the Play Store, iPhone, it doesn't matter, and you just want to search up Snapchat, and you want to download the Snapchat app. As you guys can see, you'll pretty much have to download an app that looks like this, and once you have it downloaded, all you have to do is go ahead and look for it. You can also open it from your app store, and all you want to do is open up that specific app, and you will be presented into a space that looks like this. It may not look exactly like this. As you can see, I have a couple of different profiles, but what you want to do is you want to locate the sign up option, which is on the bottom left. So once you see that little sign up option, you want to go ahead and click on it. Now it's going to ask you what your first name and last name are. So here I can go ahead and I guess just refill this, whatever this is. And I don't know why I did that. You want to type in your first and last name. You want to click sign up and accept. It's going to ask for your birthday. So you go ahead and just type in your birthday, whatever it is. It's going to, I guess give you a username, but I would recommend changing your username to something that suits you. If you pick a username that isn't good, then obviously it's not going to work. So you want to pick a specific username that is, congruent to you, that works for you. And once that works, you want to go and click continue. Now you have to go ahead and set up a password to your specific account. Now, once you go ahead and set up a password, it is going to tell you to basically give a phone number to your specific account. Now, I would recommend, keeping your real phone number. You can also go ahead and sign up with an email instead. So if you feel more comfortable using an email, go ahead and use an email here. And then after you use that email, all you have to do is pretty much either find your friends, but in this case, I'm going to click skip. You can go ahead and create your Bitmoji. And then after that, you will see that you are now on Snapchat. And I have obviously nobody on Snapchat here, maybe some stories here, but that's pretty much it. That's how you go and create a Snapchat account in 2021. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.